Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pocketfi Airdrop. There is a new staking task now on this Pocketfi. Should you stake? And what you should know about this Pocketfi Airdrop? First, you must make sure that you are claiming your points every 6 hours. You claim your points, and also make sure you are doing your daily check-in. Very important. Then let me do the daily check-in post. You do the tasks, do the ones you can do. And also this Pocketfi has now auto claim. It will claim for you, but it's not free. You have to pay to activate it. You need to pay with Star to activate it. So if you can afford it, good and fine, but not a financial advice. So let's go back to the mining. So right here you can now see staking. You can see staking right here. So this is where you can stake. But before I continue, if you are coming across my video for the first time, please do well to like, share and subscribe, and also join my WhatsApp group for more updates. If you look at this place, you can stake for 25%, 35%, 50%, 75% and 100%. And here, this 3 months staking, the APY, that's the annual percent rate, is 56%. But it's going to cost you 2.5 ton, so it's not free. But there is one that is free. Let's click over to this arrow so that we can look for the one that is free. So the whole staking is 4 sessions. Like I said, this first 3 months on is not free. It will cost you 2.5 ton to stake, and the APY is 56%. But this second one is the APR is 26% and it is free. Then the 6 months on is 32% APR and it is also free. Then that of 5 years is 40%, but it will cost you 2.49 ton. So the question is, why did Pocketfi bring out this staking? This simply means that they are going to lock up their liquidity. Thereby, this project is going to do well in future, because if you should stake for 3 months, let's assume you stake for this free, that this 3 months on that is free for 3 months, and when Pocketfi lists, you will not be able to sell your token until the time elapses. So thereby you are not selling, so the liquidity they have hold that liquidity for you. So what is it? If you can stake, good and fine. If you can't, but for me, I'm not staking right now until I see where they are going to. So, but let's assume that Pocketfi lists at 0. Let me just say 0.2. So if Pocketfi should list at 0.2, times it by the number of pocket allocation that you will have, and eventually you stake it, you are not going to sell immediately. If eventually you did not stake and Pocketfi lists at 0.2 and you are online immediately, if you can sell immediately, sell. The coin is going to dip. When it dip, you can buy back. But before you do all this process, make sure you are the type that is always on with your phone. Maybe we are monitoring the market. Not me that before I'll come online, everything don't even dip finish. So if you can be online when a project is being listed at a high rate, you can sell. Let it sell off immediately. Then you watch the price. Definitely that coin must dip. And once you dip, you now buy back. So this is how to play this crypto space. Do not play it with your emotion. Look at what is happening to Pi. Pi yesterday was almost at the rate of 0.4, but right now is at 1.1 something. So is pumping again. So that is airdrop for you. Do not put your emotion. If you find this video helpful, please do well to like, share and subscribe, and also join my WhatsApp group for more updates. Thank you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video.